Hi there, students. A klutz. A klutz. Okay, this is a countable noun. I guess you could have klutzy as well as an adjective, and probably even klutzily to make an adverb. Okay, klutz is American slang. It's actually American Jewish slang. Somebody who's a klutz is somebody who's clumsy, who's silly, yeah, who always has accidents, who's good at dropping things. So I definitely qualify as a klutz. I can drop anything, I can break anything, yeah, I'm very good at it. Okay, so somebody who's awkward and clumsy, this is a klutz. You could also use this word a klutz to say somebody who is stupid as well. But to me, at least, the primary meaning is somebody who's clumsy. Yeah, I am renowned for my klutziness. Yeah, I can drop everything. Yeah, let's see, you put me on the dance floor and I am a total klutz. Yeah. I don't know if my hand-eye coordination is pretty dodgy, and that makes me, yeah, an amiable klutz, but still a klutz. Yeah, dropping things, stepping on things. That's me, stepping on people's toes. Dropping my cell phone in the toilet. Yeah. So a klutz, somebody who is clumsy, who drops things, yeah, who is not renowned for their wonderful hand-eye coordination. Yeah, yeah, somebody who is so klutzy that they trip over. I'm good at tripping over as well. Yeah. Okay, so a klutz. Yeah, if you call somebody a klutz, it's a bit insulting. Yeah, but it's not very strong. Yeah, if you say someone's a klutz, well, they're a bit silly. They're not very good. They're not very agile. So yeah, I'm often seen breaking objects. That makes me very klutzy indeed. Okay, so formality. This is an American word. This is an informal American word. I think I'd give it 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Semi-formal conversation, just about. Semi-formal writing, I don't think I would use it. And as to origin, this one comes from Yiddish, Klutz, meaning literally a wooden beam, which is linked to a German word, Klutz, meaning a block or a lump. Yeah, so somebody who's a klutz is a block, wooden block. I can understand how those two are linked. Okay, so a klutz, but this I think nowadays I would say it's Jewish American slang, but I think this word is now used all over the US. Do the British use it? He's a klutz. I guess you might find some British people using it, but I'm trying to think what might a British person say in its stead. He's a lummox, maybe. Yeah, an oaf, a lump, something like that, maybe. Okay, so a klutz, somebody who's always dropping, breaking things, somebody who's not really that smart. So enough. I guess that's enough. Yeah, is it? I haven't done anything klutzy yet. Okay, so a klutz, somebody who's breaking things, falling over things, tripping over things. Yeah, you should have seen me when I was a kid. My knees were always covered in scabs and scars and things like that, because I was always falling over. Okay, so anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. A klutz, somebody who's clumsy, or maybe somebody who's a bit silly, stupid. Bye for now.